Hi everybody and welcome to the video. Now you may be asking, why am I standing behind a roller door? Well, it's been 2 years, 3 months, 16 days, 52 hours since I last had one of these, but 2 days ago I got my hands on something I've been waiting to get for absolutely ages. So, should we see what's behind the door? Yes, that's right. It's time for a new series on the channel, and it's going to be dedicated to one thing and one thing only: the Mazda Bongo. That's right. I finally got myself another Mazda Bongo. Now my other Mazda Bongo was a bit of a rotten POS, but this one is actually pretty good. I don't know too much about it. I picked up 2 days, well, I say I don't know much about it. I worked on it for a customer for the last couple of years, but I haven't really done a great deal to it. Sort of just MOTs and a little bit of servicing. So I do know about the vehicle. I do know it's had a few issues that are still there, which we're going to need to investigate. But I also do know that it's actually a good Bongo. And the price that I got it for is an absolute steal. So yeah, I'm going to bring it out now and we'll have a little look around and I'll show you what we got. Or maybe not. That's just completely gone. Right. So clearly we have uncovered one of the issues. One of the issues is the door doesn't open. So that's one. This is a great start. This is exactly what you want. Oh, we've got power again. Give it some gas. No. Right. So it does have an intermittent like battery / energy fault, but as you heard there, that started up straight away. So second thing is the catch doesn't work. Third thing is the bonnet stay doesn't really work. Right. So that's not even tight, which isn't exactly going to help the situation. Well, that one. How do you expect to have a good start if it doesn't even have... Right, let's see what it's going to do. Why is it not starting? Okay. So, typical Bongo fashion, bloody thing won't start with it. But let's have a little look around it anyway, see what we've got. We've got ourselves a P-Reg 1996 Mazda Bongo, which is in actually pretty good condition wise. You can see the arches have all been done. And inside here, we have a fully conversion as well. So we've got the sink up the top here, and we've got the basin, fridge, cupboard, rock and roll bed, everything like that. It's all here. It needs modernising, admittedly. Around the back, well, I can't really get it out because it's not starting. So this is what we've got. Bloody thing won't start now, which is typical, isn't it? I picked it up 2 days ago and it started. He said I need to charge the battery, so he charged the battery and then I jumped in it, boom, started up. But now it's not starting. It's like trying to turn over, but it's not firing. Like, I don't know what's going on with that one. So I'm going to try and give him a quick call, see if he says there's anything that we need to know about that one. But yeah, expect to see a lot more videos about this. Or I may even just do this whole video again when I can get it started. I'll probably do that. But for now, catch you later.